The worst part is their dealer network. Aventon requires customers to go through local bike shops for warranty work, but most shops aren't properly trained on their systems. This leads to weeks of delays and multiple repair attempts for simple problems. One customer in Portland had his motor replaced 3 times before the shop finally admitted they didn't know how to properly diagnose Aventon's proprietary error codes. Aventon's performance claims don't match reality either. They advertise 50-mile range on their Pace model, but real-world testing shows most riders get 30 to 35 miles under normal conditions. That's not unusual for e-bikes, but Aventon continues advertising the inflated numbers, while buried disclaimers explain the range was tested under ideal conditions with a 140-pound rider pedaling constantly. Number 6. Super 73. Super 73 built their brand on Instagram with retro-styled e-bikes that look like mini motorcycles. Their S2 model costs over $2,000 and attracts customers who want the coolest-looking ride in the neighborhood. The company's Los Angeles headquarters and celebrity endorsements create an aspirational brand image. But Super 73 bikes are form over function disasters. The retro motorcycle styling prioritizes appearance over practical design. The riding position puts excessive weight on your wrists during longer rides. The fat tires look cool but add unnecessary weight and rolling resistance that reduces range and performance. More importantly, Super 73's quality control is terrible. Their forums are filled with complaints about premature brake wear, loose bolts from the factory, and electrical connections that corrode quickly. The company's response is typically to blame rider error or suggest expensive upgrades to fix problems that shouldn't exist on a $2,000 bike. The battery mounting system exemplifies Super 73's design philosophy. Instead of practical solutions used by serious e-bike companies, they designed a system that looks sleek but fails regularly. Batteries can work loose during rides, causing power cuts and potential crashes. The company has issued multiple revisions to their mounting hardware, essentially using customers as beta testers for their flawed designs. Super 73's range claims are also wildly optimistic. They advertise up to 40 miles of range, but most real-world testing shows 15 to 20 miles of actual riding. The company achieved their advertised numbers by testing at very low speeds with minimal pedaling assistance. Under normal riding conditions, you'll be looking for a charging outlet much sooner than expected. Number 5. Juiced Bikes. Juiced Bikes positions itself as the performance option for serious riders. Their Hyperscorpion model costs over $3,000 and promises motorcycle-level performance in an electric bike package. The company's San Diego location and technical specifications attract enthusiasts looking for maximum power. The reality is far different. Juiced bikes are poorly engineered speed machines that sacrifice reliability and safety for impressive specification sheets. Their motors produce advertised power numbers but overheat quickly under sustained load. The cooling systems are inadequate for the power levels they're trying to achieve. Battery management is another major issue. Juiced uses high-capacity battery packs that generate significant heat during charging and discharging. Their battery management systems are basic compared to what serious electric vehicle manufacturers use. This leads to shortened battery life and potential safety issues. Multiple customers have reported batteries that became too hot to touch during normal charging. The Hyperscorpion's design prioritizes speed over stability. The geometry and weight distribution create handling issues at the high speeds the bike is capable of reaching. Juiced markets these bikes as motorcycle replacements, but they lack the sophisticated suspension and braking systems needed for safe, high-speed riding. Customer support is virtually non-existent once problems develop. Juiced Bikes has a reputation for disappearing when expensive warranty claims arise. Their online forums show numerous customers waiting months for responses to serious safety concerns. The company seems more interested in developing new models than supporting existing customers. Number 4. Ride OneUp. Ride OneUp markets affordable e-bikes direct to consumers with promises of cutting out dealer markups. Their Core 5 model costs around $1,100 and appears to offer excellent value for budget-conscious buyers. The company's direct sales approach and detailed specifications create an impression of transparency. But Ride OneUp's value comes from cutting corners in ways that aren't immediately obvious. Their frames are built to minimum standards with welds that look rough compared to quality manufacturers. The powder coating is thin and chips easily, leading to corrosion problems in humid climates. Component selection reveals their true priorities. Ride OneUp uses the cheapest possible versions of every part. Their brakes barely meet stopping requirements and fade quickly during longer descents. The drivetrain components are entry-level parts that wear out rapidly under the stress of electric motor assistance. The biggest issue is their assembly quality. Ride OneUp bikes arrive partially assembled, requiring customers to complete critical safety items like brake adjustments and wheel installation. Their instruction manuals are poorly written, and many customers end up with improperly assembled bikes. Local bike shops report seeing numerous Ride OneUp bikes with dangerous assembly errors. Battery reliability is another major concern. Ride OneUp uses battery cells that are one step above the cheapest options available. Their battery management systems lack sophisticated protection features found in quality e-bikes. Customers report significant capacity loss within the first year and complete battery failures that aren't covered under warranty due to technicalities. Number 3. Sondors. Sondors gained attention through crowdfunding campaigns that promised premium e-bikes at budget prices. Their original campaign raised over $6 million based on claims of delivering a quality e-bike for under $600. The company's founder became a minor celebrity in the e-bike world. The delivered products told a different story. Sondors bikes arrived with missing components, faulty wiring, and quality issues that made many units unsafe to ride. The company's customer service was overwhelmed and unprepared to handle the volume of problems. Many backers waited over a year to receive bikes that didn't match the promised specifications. Even their current production models maintain the same corner-cutting approach. Sondors bikes use the absolute cheapest components available while maintaining prices that suggest higher quality. Their X model costs over $1,800 but uses a motor and battery combination found on bikes costing half that amount. Battery replacement costs reveal Sondors' real business model. Their proprietary battery design ensures customers must buy replacements directly from the company at inflated prices. A replacement battery costs almost as much as some complete e-bikes from other manufacturers. This creates a captive customer base forced to pay premium prices for basic components. The company's expansion into different models has spread their quality control even thinner. Each new bike model introduces new problems while previous issues remain unresolved. Sondors appears more interested in generating crowdfunding excitement than delivering reliable products to existing customers. Number 2. Lectric e-bikes. Lectric e-bikes became popular through aggressive social media marketing and influencer partnerships. Their XP model costs around $900 and promises premium features at an unbeatable price. The company's Arizona headquarters and American ownership create trust with buyers concerned about overseas brands. But Lectric's business model is built on misleading comparisons. They compare their bikes to premium brands costing 3 times as much while using components found on bikes costing half their price. The marketing creates an impression of exceptional value that doesn't match the actual product quality. Build quality is consistently poor across their model range. Frame welds are rough and inconsistent, paint finish chips easily, and small parts like bolts and brackets feel flimsy. The overall impression is of a bike built to hit a price point rather than meet quality standards. Their folding mechanism exemplifies Lectric's approach. The hinge system looks substantial in photos but uses cheap alloys that wear quickly. Multiple customers report loose hinges developing within months of purchase. The company's solution is to sell upgrade kits rather than addressing the fundamental design problems. Range and performance claims are equally misleading. Lectric advertises up to 45 miles of range, but real-world testing consistently shows 25 to 30 miles under normal conditions. Lectric provides good support for simple issues but becomes difficult to reach when problems require expensive solutions. Their warranty process is designed to discourage claims through complex procedures and slow response times. Number 1. Biktrix. Biktrix markets itself as a premium Canadian brand offering superior engineering and quality. Their juggernaut model costs over $4,000 and promises the ultimate e-bike experience. The company's technical specifications and professional presentation attract serious cyclists looking for the best available option. The reality is that Biktrix represents everything wrong with the current e-bike industry. They rebrand Chinese-manufactured bikes with minimal modifications while charging premium prices. Their Canadian engineering consists primarily of selecting components from catalogs and applying their branding. Quality control is surprisingly poor for bikes in this price range. Biktrix bikes arrive with loose bolts, improperly adjusted components, and sometimes missing parts. The assembly process appears rushed, with little attention to details that affect safety and performance. For the price charged, customers expect meticulous preparation that simply doesn't exist. The most egregious issue is their battery system. Biktrix charges over $1,200 for replacement batteries that use standard cells available elsewhere for half the price. They've created proprietary mounting and electrical systems solely to force customers into their expensive replacement cycle. Customer service reflects the company's true priorities. Biktrix provides excellent pre-sale support, but becomes difficult to reach once the problems develop. Their warranty process involves complex procedures designed to discourage claims. Many customers report feeling abandoned once their purchase is complete. Technical support reveals the company's limited actual expertise. When complex problems arise, Biktrix representatives often lack the knowledge to provide meaningful solutions. This suggests their engineering team has limited involvement in actual product development. But the e-bike industry isn't entirely filled with companies trying to rip you off. There are manufacturers that prioritize quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction over marketing budgets and profit margins. These 5 companies actually deliver value for your money. Number 5 on the good list, REI Co-op. REI's e-bike program represents what happens when an established outdoor retailer applies their quality standards to electric bikes. Their CTY model costs around $1,800 and delivers solid performance with reliable components. REI's reputation depends on customer satisfaction, not viral marketing campaigns. The key difference is REI's approach to component selection. They choose proven parts from established manufacturers rather than the cheapest options available. Their batteries use quality Samsung or LG cells with sophisticated management systems. Motors come from reputable suppliers like Bosch or Shimano, rather than generic Chinese manufacturers. Build quality reflects REI's outdoor equipment standards. Frames are properly designed and manufactured with attention to details like cable routing and component mounting. The assembly process includes thorough quality control checks that catch problems before bikes reach customers. REI's warranty and customer service set industry standards. Their co-op membership model aligns their interests with customer satisfaction rather than maximizing short-term profits. When problems arise, REI typically resolves them quickly and fairly. Their nationwide store network provides local support that online-only brands can't match. Range and performance claims are conservative and realistic. REI tests their bikes under normal conditions and publishes honest specifications. Their C-TY model advertises 30 to 40 miles of range, and real-world testing consistently achieves those numbers. Number 4. Trek. Trek brought their century of bicycle manufacturing experience to the e-bike market with impressive results. Their Verve model costs around $2,500 but delivers the reliability and performance that Trek's reputation demands. The company's dealer network provides professional assembly and ongoing support. Component integration sets Trek apart from companies that simply bolt motors onto existing bike designs. Their e-bikes are designed from the ground up as electric vehicles with proper weight distribution, cable routing, and component placement. The result is bikes that feel cohesive rather than like aftermarket conversions. Battery technology reflects Trek's automotive industry partnerships. Their batteries use the same high-quality cells found in electric cars, with sophisticated management systems that maximize lifespan and performance. Replacement batteries are reasonably priced and widely available through their dealer network. Trek's dealer support provides advantages that direct-to-consumer brands can't match. Professional assembly ensures bikes are properly set up before delivery. Ongoing service from trained technicians keeps bikes running smoothly throughout their lifespan. Warranty work is handled locally rather than requiring shipping bikes back to manufacturers. Performance specifications are honest and conservative. Trek's engineers focus on real-world usability rather than impressive numbers on specification sheets. Their bikes consistently meet or exceed published range and performance claims under normal riding conditions. Number 3. Specialized. Specialized entered the e-bike market with the same engineering rigor they apply to their professional racing bikes. Their Turbo Vado model costs around $3,000 but represents genuine innovation rather than marketing hype. The company's research and development investment shows in every aspect of their e-bike design. Motor integration exemplifies Specialized's approach. They developed custom motor systems in partnership with established manufacturers rather than using generic components. Their motors are designed specifically for bicycle applications with appropriate power delivery and cooling systems. Battery management showcases automotive-level engineering. Specialized batteries include sophisticated thermal management and cell balancing systems typically found only in electric cars. The result is longer battery life and safer operation under all conditions. Frame design reflects decades of bicycle engineering experience. Specialized e-bikes maintain the handling and performance characteristics that make cycling enjoyable while integrating electric assistance seamlessly. Number 2. Cannondale. Cannondale's e-bike development focuses on preserving the essential character of cycling while adding electric assistance. Their Synapse NEO costs around $3,500, but delivers refinement that justifies the premium price. The company's Connecticut engineering team brings serious bicycle knowledge to electric assistance. Integration philosophy separates Cannondale from companies that bolt motors onto existing designs. Their e-bikes are designed as complete systems with every component optimized for electric operation. The result is bikes that feel like natural evolutions of traditional bicycles rather than compromises. Component selection emphasizes proven reliability over cutting-edge specifications. Cannondale chooses motors, batteries, and controllers from established suppliers with track records in automotive applications. This conservative approach results in higher reliability and longer service life. Manufacturing quality reflects Cannondale's premium positioning. Frame construction meets the standards expected from high-end traditional bicycles. Assembly and quality control processes ensure bikes meet specification before leaving the factory. The attention to detail is visible in everything from paint finish to cable routing. Service and support leverage Cannondale's established dealer network. Their technicians receive comprehensive training on e-bike systems and have access to technical support when needed. Warranty work is handled professionally with minimal customer inconvenience. Number 1. Riese and Müller. Riese and Müller represents the pinnacle of e-bike engineering and manufacturing. Their homage model costs over $5,000 but delivers quality and performance that justifies the premium price. This German company treats e-bikes as sophisticated transportation devices rather than recreational toys. Engineering excellence pervades every aspect of their design. Riese and Müller develops custom solutions for integration challenges rather than accepting compromises. Their suspension systems, for example, are designed specifically for the additional weight and different dynamics of electric bikes. Component quality meets automotive standards throughout their product line. Motors come from Bosch with custom programming for each bike model. Batteries use premium cells with sophisticated thermal and electrical management. Controllers include features typically found only in electric cars.